Hello, students. Well, we are basically in the last week, or starting the last week of the course, that is week number 7. Well, we have one more week, but that is the final exam, in which we're gonna go through statistics. Is the final part of module number 4. We cover in this week that is just finished the chapter number 11, probabilities, okay, which is about what that have to do with the fundamental counting principle, another methodology for counting as permutation combination, and then we introduce how to compute probabilities. Some are theoretical probabilities, some other are called practical probabilities. I include a homework from my lab math, which is homework and quiz number 6, that is due, I believe so, is due on Tuesday. No today, September 7, but October 7, but Tuesday, October 8. What I'm going to do, probably I'm going to give you a little bit more of time because I know that this subject is a little bit challenged. So today, try to check my lab map later today or early tomorrow. So sometime today. And you should be able to see that probably this due date is going to change. No, not this one, the 10/8, because that's what I remember. That was due on Tuesday, October 8, which is Tuesday. Probably what I'm going to give you guys is a little bit more of time because I know that this week, over this weekend, we have the third sectional test and also was due the board discussion number 6. So I know that you guys were busy with that. So definitely I will give you more time on this. Okay, so regarding this part of statistics, well, we're going to cover from chapter 12 4 sections, which is basically how to compute the central tendency of a sample of the outcomes of that is coming from a sample of data, okay, and also to say something about the dispersion. And then we're going to end up with something that is called the normal distribution. That's what we're going to cover for chapter 12. The instructional material is available already, and that's something that you're going to see in there. Then, once that we finish this week, nothing else is pending. Of course, I'm going to assign later today the board discussion number 3 about chapter 11. Okay, and for next week, probably I'm going to give you another board discussion, which is going to be the last one about chapter 12, according with this. And finally, the activity that we're going to have is just to review and get prepared for the 4 sectional tests, which is chapter 11 and 12. Okay. So basically in the last week, not this one, the other one ahead, we're going to have just one activity. It's just to deliver this homework in here, but also another board discussion that you need to do. That I'm going to do something very similar to the one that I made for this board discussion number 2 that allows you to prepare for your sectional test. Help you to prepare for the sectional test. Okay, so in regarding the instructional material, in module 4, let me just to go in here. I'm sorry, guys. Let me see. Module 4. So you have what we're going to cover during this week. The lectures corresponding to section 1, 2, 3, and 4, the whole chapter, also a spreadsheet that allows you to compute what you learn in here about how to compute the different type of central tendency, how to make a graph of the frequency distribution, how to make another type of graph as the Stigler and group graph, and also how to estimate the standard deviation. Then later today, that's what we're going to cover at the first half. Then later today, during this week, probably on Wednesday, what I'm going to do is to open the final one, which is section 2.4. I'm going to include a little bit more material about that. In this video, those are suggested videos. There is a video from myself, which is this one, in which I went through this spreadsheet. So to explain you the concepts behind that, and also how to use the spreadsheet. Okay, that is a spreadsheet that I did by myself, but you can use that spreadsheet to compute anything that has to do with central tendency and also dispersion. Okay, well, this is what I want to tell you. I hope that everybody get done with the third sectional test. That was this one in module number 3. Okay, let me go in here. That was this one. That was due yesterday. Okay, and also this board discussion that's supposed to be due also yesterday. Okay, I'm sorry, the third sectional test was due on Saturday. I'm sorry. Okay, well, if you have any question, as usual, you feel free to send me an email, and that's it. And for those of you that haven't finished to submit the evaluation of the course, please go ahead and do it. Okay, we still have some time. Thank you.